actually focus on startups and actually trying to get them involved, showcasing them, giving them a helpful hand on that kind of journey, because startups are so important for a country to kind of really kind of leverage and create an AI Ireland to take them on that journey to add value to everybody. Can you tell us a little bit about some of the work you do with startups?
Yeah, so we've just, we announced last year our Microsoft Startups program, which is kind of an evolution of what was our BizSpark program previously. So we have our own dedicated reactor, or what we call our reactor, which is an accelerator program that's based over in London, and we work very closely with the London team because I think, again, we need to look beyond the island of just Ireland for this sort of innovation and look to more kind of global markets for influence and direction. So for us, what we will be doing over the next couple of months is bringing that team now over to Ireland and having them based here on a more regular cadence to engage with the ISV and startup community. But key, aside from that, even just at a very broad technical level now, we're starting to run deep technical workshops around AI technologies and how they can be adapted by organizations. So we just ran our first machine learning hack for a week in the Sandyford office, which was brilliant. So we had 100 people attend, everything from partners right through to customers, and then some of the startup community as well. So that's the type of engagement. Again, back to your point around the ecosystem, that's the type of thing that we want to be doing to make sure that it's a very inclusive journey for everybody.
Paul, thank you very much for your time.
Great. Thank you, Mark. Cheers.